Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to install Windows 10 using VM VirtualBox on Kali Linux. In this video, I will show you the steps to create a virtual machine and install Windows 10 on it. Before we begin, you will need to download the following files: the Windows 10 ISO file from here, Now let's proceed with the installation of VirtualBox. Step 1. Install VM VirtualBox on Kali Linux. To install VM VirtualBox on Kali Linux, open a terminal and type the following commands: sudo apt update, sudo apt install VirtualBox. This will install the latest version of VM VirtualBox on your system. Step 2. Create a virtual machine for Windows 10. To create a virtual machine for Windows 10, open the VM VirtualBox application and click on the New button. This will open a wizard that will guide you through the process. First, you need to name your virtual machine and choose the type and version of the operating system. For example, you can name it Windows 10 inches and choose Microsoft Windows as the type and Windows 10 64-bit as the version. Next, you need to allocate some memory, RAM, for your virtual machine. The recommended amount is 2 GB, but you can adjust it according to your system's resources. Then, you need to create a virtual hard disk for your virtual machine. You can choose to create a new one or use an existing one. Install Windows 10 on the virtual machine. To install Windows 10 on the virtual machine, start the virtual machine by clicking on the Start button. This will boot from the Windows 10 ISO file and launch the installation wizard. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the installation. You will need to choose your language, keyboard layout, license agreement, installation type, partition scheme, and personal settings. Once the installation is finished, your virtual machine will restart and you will be able to use Windows 10 on your Kali Linux system. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.